the Memorial Day getaway is on.
It is?
Yes.
Oh, yes, it is. A lot of people will be getting away this weekend. Are you going? You're not going away.
I'm not. I'm going to stay here.
Me either. And after seeing that traffic, I
don't want to be in it.
Glad.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, as you pack your bags this weekend, putting together your toiletries, here is something you might consider for your next road trip or as a special gift for a friend. This is the Wink bag, W-I-N-K, Wink, and it stands for When in Need of Kindness. I love this. This is a really unique gift with a very special purpose. Wink is one of those companies built on the one-for-one concept, you know, like Tom's Shoes. When you buy one Wink bag, this bag of toiletries, full of toiletries, is donated to the Ronald McDonald House family rooms across the United States. When you're in one of those rooms, it is not under good circumstances. So this is a small and very precious gift of basic necessities that a parent needs as they are dealing with a critically ill child. The idea for this was born out of near tragedy. Laura Metro of Potomac almost lost her son Clay in 2011, a near drowning in a pool. He was blue, he was lifeless, no breath, no heartbeat. He ended up in a coma for 2 days. Thankfully, miraculously, he is okay. Laura obviously, though, dropped everything in that time, and she stayed with Clay at the hospital. When she was finally able to shower after a few days at the Ronald McDonald House, she found a bag filled with travel-sized toiletries, and she said she felt she had been handed a bar of gold. She says she was finally able to wash off the day, but has never forgotten about those little bags and how they symbolize love and hope for her. The Wink bags she now sells, these are made of sailcloth. They're very cute-looking clutches. Inside of them, as you can see, it's a solid perfume, a bar of soap, and a lip balm. A portion of Wink bags goes to the Clay Foundation, named after Laura's son, Clay. The Clay Foundation hosts free CPR parties, among other community services. It's a really wonderful foundation. You can find out more about the Clay Foundation at clayfoundation.org and about Wink bags at winkbags.com. And each bag is $30. They're great. So what I would do, I mean, you know, I would use them for my toiletries or just throw it in your purse with your cell phone. You could use it even as a clutch. But isn't that a wonderful concept? And then these are... Can you imagine going through tragedy and then having this right there waiting for you?
Because, you know, you likely don't have any of that with you, you know, you're not thinking about all that. That's great.
You know, as gifts for a teacher, this would be a nice gift for a teacher. You do that with the story behind it. It's just a really wonderful, it makes it a wonderful gift. So
that's great.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah. Thank you. Good. I'm glad you liked it. It smells good too.
I love where these ideas come from, though, too. They just come out of necessity. They come out of any
tragedy.
Exactly.
And to have, you know, to come from that and then be able to make something out of it.
What I've said time and time again, often we all get ideas, but these people put them in action. That's great. Good job.
Bingo. Yeah.
That's
good job, Laura.
Probably Tony and I's problem is we have lots of ideas.
We don't do anything.
Yeah, most of us do, you know, and then we do nothing.
I know. I'm not being critical. I'm just being kind of reality. Hey, the weekend looks pretty good. I like what I'm seeing for